What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man. Welcome back to another video. I've got another unboxing here for you today. Nike's just been throwing me dunks left and right. Peyton got to choose a dunk 2 weeks ago. Last week, from when you're watching this video, Hesper got to choose a dunk. We had for Hesper the Electro Purple Dunk High, the Midnight Navy Dunk High, and the Women's Panda Dunk High. She liked the Midnight Navy the best. She hasn't worn it yet, though, and I'm thinking she might like this more. Before I open this, though, first a word from my sponsor, Jesus. In Matthew chapter 27, verse 46, Jesus was dying on the cross and he looked up to the heavens and he said, my God, why have you forsaken me? In Hebrews 13:5, it says that God will never leave us or forsake us. And when I read that, I read it as God's never going to leave me or forsake me, because I trust that Jesus took all the forsaking when he was on the cross that day. One more piece of housekeeping first, maybe two more. We're just going to give this shoe just a little bit more time in the sun. I don't think that these are going to get enough love from YouTube or from anyone, and so we're just gonna let you look at them. I wore them for the first time today. I got them yesterday, made the video for you yesterday, wore them today, and man, they're really comfortable. I kind of think that they don't look like they'd be comfortable, but they're comfortable.
Yeah, they definitely don't look like they would be.
So what video did we just see? The Heritage, the Jordan 1 High Heritage, was supposed to look, I think, a little bit like, and it's got the color blocking that the Travis Scott Fragment High did. And I think Nike probably did that on purpose, similarly how they did it to the Travis Scott Mocha High and then the normal Mocha. How the color blocking and the colors were almost the same, were very similar, and the Mocha did crazy, right, Haley? Yeah. Everybody likes the Mocha, probably more so than they like the Panda dunk.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. And I think they tried to do that with the Heritage and they kind of failed. I think they might have tried to do that with this one too, Haley. Mm-hmm. I think they did. But it's only going by the pictures that I've seen. I haven't seen any videos on this. This is the kind of shoe people probably won't make a video on. But I wanted to make this video. I'll bring it here to you today. Y'all don't forget, though, 2,000 subs is coming up here really quick. 2,000 sub giveaway is coming. I'm going to give away a grand prize to the most valuable sub, my MVS. Whoever I feel, this is going to be somebody I pick, who I feel is commenting on my videos and commenting something pertinent to what I'm talking about, so I can see that they're watching the video, because it's important to me. It's important to YouTube that y'all watch the video through, because then YouTube says, oh, hey, he watched all this whole entire video. I'm going to show it to more people. So I appreciate all my MVSs. I've got a handful of y'all. I'm keeping notes for myself, watching the comments. You know that I respond to all my comments, and I heart almost every single one of my comments. So that's another way for me to quantify who the MVS is, because you will have, at least on my side, you'll have a little heart beside your name saying that you're one of the most hearted commenters, something like that. Peyton is one of those. Peyton's my daughter, though. She's not going to win the most valuable sub. I mean, I guess she could, but she's not going to. All right, let's get this open. This is a weird box. I don't think I've ever gotten a box like this from Nike. I think I got this from Nike.
That is weird.
Huh?
I said that is weird.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever gotten a box like this from Nike. All right. This is the Nike Dunk Low Grade School Aura Clear Worn Blue and White. Clear Worn Blue. Clear dash Worn Blue. This is size 6.5. This is Hesper size and Haley size.
No price.
No price at all? Yeah, no price at all.
No,
I don't even remember how
USD.
much this thing cost. It was $85 maybe?
What?
I think so.
That's
a lot of
cheap.
these grade school dunk lows.
Oh, it is grade school. I forgot.
So the other thing, I've got another shoe out here. I've got the other shoe that I think this might be trying to play off of. So if it looks like it is, then I'll bring the other one out.
Ooh.
Yeah, this is way better than all three of the dunk highs that Hesper had.
Oh, yeah.
So we get a clear, just plastic swoosh. It's got a little bit of a sheen, iridescent sheen to it. Yep, but it's clear overall.
Can't really see it.
No, this is just a normal Dunk Low grade school. This isn't SP, SE, any other digits after it other than GS for grade school. But this is like just infinitely better material, infinitely better, not infinitely, you know, it's a whole lot better than the other shoes. And I thought this was probably,
you know, I was gonna say that.
because this has a plasticky, iridescent-ish sheen to the swoosh. Mm-hmm. And I mean, they're similar bluish colors. They're obviously not the same, but you know, they're not they're reminiscent of each other. Isn't that the word? Is that a good word for it? They resemble each other.
Yeah.
Like hopefully you can see where I'm coming from when I say maybe Nike made this one as a consolation prize for everybody who took the L's on these. Yeah. Although this only went up to 12. I don't remember seeing the stock numbers on this. I probably went with most of my accounts for this one in a 12 women's, but this was the 8. I think I only went with this.
Bless you.
Thank you. I think I only went for this one for the size 8 with one account, and that's the one I happened to hit on. So,
this isn't a size 8. What are you talking about?
Oh, 6.5, 8.
How do they go up to 12 if it's grade school?
Oh yeah, it's only grade school. That's duh. This is the only size I went for. Never mind.
Like, what are you talking about?
So this gets the satin sock liner, which is different. I mean, obviously they're different, but it kind of seems like this is very similar leather, like the leather that's under here.
Mm-hmm. Bola just came in here.
Come here, Bola. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
She can.
Come here.
Bola.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Oh my gosh, we have to leave that in here. Bola!
She's too old and fat.
Bola, come here. Tell anybody around here. Hey!
So I really think this is your consolation prize.
More glue, probably?
No, it's not glue. I think this is your consolation prize for the for everybody who took the L on the Argon or any of the Union Ducks for that matter, because this looks a lot like what I believe that this leather looks like underneath.
That is so cute.
It's got a toe box that's more similar looking at first glance, you know, from me looking at it to the court purples, just because of the way that it's shaped. The stitching on this is all decently straight, like it's supposed to be. I mean, we know that the stitching on the toe of the Unions is supposed to be jagged and crooked and all the other wrong looking stuff. So we'll get Hesper at the end of this video, right after I close this out, or yeah, mostly close this out. We'll get Hesper's reaction to this. Haley definitely likes it, so I'm sure she'll want Hesper to pick this one as opposed to those highs, right? Or do you like the panda high better?
No, I like those. I don't like the pandas.
I thought you said out of those 3 you wanted the pandas.
I don't think I did. Maybe I did. I don't know why I would have said that. Which one would you have picked
out of the electro
what
purple?
Was the purple
the midnight?
Ones.
Really? You like the purple?
I like the purple ones.
I would like the purple better if it was court purple.
I think because it is court.
It's not. It's electro purple.
There's literally no difference.
No, there is.
Okay, well, I think Oh. There's literally no difference. I don't see one bit of difference.
No, I see that this is brighter. This is a brighter, deeper color, and this is more blue. Electro is definitely more blue. So y'all be the judge. Can you see it on the camera? This is more white too. Like this midsole is not as white. This one's
You're
whiter.
crazy. You're just colorblind, I think.
No.
I really I don't see any.
I definitely like this purple better. Anyhow, back to what are these colors again? Aura, clear worn blue, and white. I don't know. This is probably Aura, and this is clear worn blue. I don't know.
You keep saying brew.
Brew.
I wonder which one's clear.
It's clear worn blue. Clear dash worn blue. It's one color.
Oh.
So, I think. I mean, I can't imagine that they put clear on the colorway, but this looks faded. It looks like that was supposed to be white, and it's just faded, doesn't it?
No.
It does to me.
I think you're just used to seeing them.
I mean, they are frequently faded. But we'll get Hesper. So out of the 4 now, you said you like this out of the highs the best.
Yes.
And what about these 2?
You put me on the spot. I think the purple one still.
Really?
I really like the purple one.
Okay.
Maybe just because they're highs and I don't have highs. Dunk highs.
It's true, but
maybe that's why.
All right. Well, y'all let me know what you think about these down below. We'll cut over to Hesper's reaction, see if she wants this instead of the Midnight Navy High. Like I said before, make sure you're subbed. Make sure you're commenting my videos, even though the 2,000 sub giveaway, the actual video for the giveaway is not open yet because we haven't yet hit 2,000 subs. Once we hit 2,000 subs, I'm gonna make that video, and then we'll have about 3 weeks for people to comment on that video. There'll be a second place prize for a random commenter, subscriber, liker of that video. But the grand prize, which will be pretty much any shoe you want, I'll get you pretty much anything you want. I've been selling a lot of these shoes because I've had like 100 shoes sitting around in this room. And I like to keep them around because I feel like they make flexing video content, you know? I mean, these are mine, so we're keeping those, but those, that rack was completely full.
Okay, let's just take a little look around the room.
But that rack was completely full, and, you know, there's a lot of money tied up in that, so I figured it's probably better off for me to just go ahead and sell them all, and then get you whatever you want. I'll just buy it from StockX. Hopefully it's something that I haven't even had, because I'll buy it on StockX, I'll make a video on it, get the content, and then I'll pack it back up and ship it off to you. So, that'll be the grand prize to the MVS, whoever I choose. So, but my MVS review is going on right now. Once I've posted the 2,000 sub video, you've only got a couple of weeks, and if you're going to be commenting pertinent stuff on my videos, you're going to have to spend time to watch them. And I mean, it's doable, but like I said, what I recommend, I've said this on a few videos, is tell your grandma, right?
Yes.
Yeah, tell your grandma. Just get your grandma subscribed with notifications on, show her how to get to my videos. She can go back and watch them. And she can post comments on those. And if she's the most valuable sub, then she'll just get you a new shoe. Yeah. I mean, I guess you got to be worried though about grandma wanting some heat for herself. That's true. These are pretty nice. Grandma would like these.
Grandma would really like those, I think.
I think she would. So, unfortunately, this isn't her size. I didn't even go for her size. So, thanks for being here. Appreciate the support. We'll cut to Hesper and she'll close us out. I'll see you next time. All right, I need to get your opinion on these dunks. In your last video, you said you like those dunk mids or highs better than the other 3 dunk highs you looked at, right? Mm-hmm. And those were the ones you would keep if you were going to keep any of them. We're going to get your thoughts on this one. But first, I don't think those are going to get enough love on the YouTubes, like overall. What do you think about those?
They're dirty.
That's from where I drive. That's like the only dirty part.
They're cute. They look like something I wore in middle school.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's see what you think about those.
They look kind of big.
6.5. You like those better?
I don't know. Like, it's hard to see this.
I can't see the shoe.
It's hard to see
Just
this.
push the paper down, babe.
Oh. It's hard to see this.
Yeah, it is.
I don't like the can't see this.
Okay. So you like this one better?
Yeah.
All right. I'm kind of surprised. I thought you would like those better.
Why?
Overall colors. But I get it.
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of like holographic, but
Yeah, it's got a little bit of an iridescent sheen to it.
if you're paying for Nike, you should be able to see.
Fair enough. So you're still sticking with those? Yeah. All right, you got another pair that's coming next week. You got to take a look at and see if you like those. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, you want to say bye?
Bye. You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Choose. Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.